So what I'm trying to do here is set up a phone, a rooted phone, with Screen2Auto, and if it goes well, it should launch my own Batman launcher here and allow me to kind of go in and execute virtually anything that I have on my phone. So I'm just gonna search for something rando. Let's see, how about um, uh, well, just some music there. We'll see what we have. All right. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And then I can adjust volume. Have to look at the advertising. It's double advertising now. YouTube. So it looks like it's working.